Have you ever wondered why you can monitor your house while you're away, but not your car? Well, with Cargenta, that's all about to change. This innovative technology allows you to connect your car to your mobile device, giving you real-time updates on your car's location, so you can rest easy knowing your car is secure. But that's not all. Cargenta also lets you keep track of important information like mileage, speed, fuel level, battery charge, fluid temperatures, and sensor data, all with just a few taps on your phone. Upgrade the way you monitor your car today with Cargenta. LED Road Flares Kit. Emergencies can happen at any time, without warning. That's why it's important to always be prepared. The safety kit is a must-have for any car or boat owner in case of emergencies. The kit includes extremely bright LED lights that shine radiantly, alerting people within a radius of 1 mile to slow down and be cautious. With its magnetic base, you can easily attach the flares to the sides or back of your vehicle, making it easy to use in any emergency situation. Be ready for anything with this essential safety kit. Quick battery terminal connectors. Connecting a battery has never been easier thanks to these terminal connectors. Whether you're working on a car, van, truck, or bus, these connectors are designed to work with all types of vehicles. One of the best things about them is that the post-terminal connectors are color-coded, making it easy for you to identify polarity and avoid mistakes. And because they're made of ultra-fine copper, they are not only corrosion-resistant, but also minimize voltage distortion and transmission loss. Oil Change Pump Extractor. Performing a fluid change on your own vehicle can be a chaotic process, but it doesn't have to be. With this oil change pump extractor, you can speed up the process and keep it clean. The thickened walls make it robust and trustworthy, just like your dedication to your car. Say goodbye to messy fluid changes and hello to this handy oil change pump extractor. Multifunctional adjustable footrest. Comfort should always be your top priority, whether you're on a road trip or a flight. Not everyone can afford luxury cars or business class seats, but with this multifunctional adjustable footrest, you can have a comfortable posture anywhere. Its ergonomic design ensures you're at ease, no matter the angle, and the anti-slip design keeps your feet firmly in place. Pneumatic Air Hydraulic Bottle Jack. Running a workshop that deals with heavy machinery or owning a farm comes with its challenges, especially when it comes to lifting heavy equipment. This bottle jack is the solution. It combines the power of a pneumatic jack with a hydraulic jack and can lift up to 20 tons. Its flexible rod and adjustable height make it the perfect tool for any heavy lifting job. Pneumatic Valve Lapping Grinding Tool Set. Proper maintenance of your engine includes valve lapping to ensure the sealing surfaces of the valves have a smooth finish. This pneumatic valve lapping grind tool set is the perfect partner. It's equipped with rubber suction cups in 4 sizes, an inner diameter of 10 centimeters, and a rotation speed of 300 revolutions per minute, making it perfect for heavy-duty work. Detailing Brush Set. Taking care of your car on your own terms means having the right tools, and this detailing brush set is a must-have for anyone who wants a spotless car. Its fine pig hair bristles ensure thorough cleaning without any hair loss, leaving your car looking perfect. Whether you're cleaning the tires, seats, or window seams, both the exterior and interior of your car will be spotless. Solar Power Tire Pressure Monitoring System. Safety should always be your first concern when driving. This tire pressure monitoring system ensures you always have complete knowledge of the condition of your tires. It allows you to set the minimum and maximum limits manually, and if your tires fall outside of these limits, it will alert you with an alarm. Additionally, it can be powered by solar energy, making it perfect for long journeys. Dust Brush Cleaner. Cleaning your car can be a tough job, especially when it comes to those narrow corners. But with this dust brush cleaner, those hard-to-reach areas will be a breeze. Its soft bristles can easily access those tight spaces, and it's compatible with any vacuum cleaner, ensuring that your car is spotless. Nonda's EUS Smart Car Charger. Keeping our devices charged while on the road is essential, and many new cars come with built-in chargers. But if your car doesn't have one, don't worry. This smart car charger makes charging your devices in the car easy and convenient. It has 2 USB ports. Cassette adapter. If you're still driving an older car with a cassette player, but you want to play your own music, this cassette adapter is the perfect solution. It connects to your phone via Bluetooth, allowing you to play the music you love. Plus, it has an inbuilt battery that provides 8 hours of non-stop music, so you can enjoy your tunes while on the road. Ambient Symphony light. If you want to enhance your driving experience, these Ambient Symphony lights are the perfect option for you. These LED lights come equipped with sound sensors that synchronize with the music in your car to provide you with a truly immersive experience. Plus, these lights have a brightness adjustment feature so you can set the perfect mood for your drive. Spark plug tester. Keeping your vehicle running smoothly requires attention to detail, including monitoring your spark plugs. But with this spark plug tester, detecting any issues is easy. No need to remove the plugs, just use this tester. One of its best features is the ability to adjust the working frequency through the rotary switch, which allows you to increase spark intensity as needed. Thank you for watching this video on Top Tech Tools. Remember to like and subscribe to our channel for more content like this.